is the thing I love about Universal Orlando hotels is if they're providing free transportation, it's going to be in line with early park admission. And here at the Park Prodigy, we really do love early park admission. And when I give a lot of my tips and tricks, a lot of what I do, I just said, if I'm going early park admission, I'll show up an hour before. We typically will recommend that to families to get the most out of that extra hour, specifically if you're trying to go onto Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. Now, where this is important is you'll see a lot of the offsite hotels do have free transportation, but the con in that is if Universal Orlando is running early park admission at 8 o'clock, their transportation will start in order to get guests over to City Walk when it opens up for 7 o'clock, which is an hour before. At the non-official Universal Orlando hotels, if early park admission starts at 8 o'clock, their free shuttle service might not run until 8 o'clock or 8:30 in a lot of situations, right? So you can't really take advantage of early park admission if you do have that. So I just think that's one of the cons